Before using any Contego product, it is imperative to read all safety information. You can find this information by peeling back the label at the indicated corner. Place each smoke generator on a fireproof base of approximately 300 by 300 mm, but not in a bucket or other enclosed space. Take the required number of smoke generators. 1 generator per 120 meters cubed for flying insects, 1 generator per 30 meters cubed for fleas, or 1 generator per 7.5 meters cubed for crawling insects. Tear off the tag and remove the cap. Light the igniter using a match. Do not leave a lit match on the generator. Leave the room when the generator is lit and leave for no less than 2 hours, or 1 hour per 1.5 meters of ceiling height. Once the treatment is complete, open doors and windows and ventilate thoroughly. Keep out of the reach of children and pets. Please remember, always follow all safety instructions. Thank you.